Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use enhanced dictation on iOS 16. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So we've been using the voice dictation on iPhone for quite a long time, but in iOS 16, the feature gets even better. In iOS 16, with voice dictation, you can use your voice and keyboard simultaneously. So let me show you how to do this. So first, we'll open up the Notes app, and here I'm going to tap where I want to start typing. Now this will work in any apps such as a Safari search field or a iMessage conversation in iOS 16. Now tap on the dictation icon at the bottom right, and then you can just start talking like normal. The new dictation feature will put punctuation in automatically for you, including full stops and capital letters. But if you make a mistake, you can simply tap on it and type using the normal keyboard. Dictation mode is still active, but you can make changes as you go. This is really useful as we can jump between keyboard and the voice without having to stop and start the dictation option. If dictation makes a mistake, just stop and use your keyboard to correct it manually. Apple has really improved the dictation on iOS 16, and this will be one of my most used tools when it arrives on iPadOS later on in October. And that is how to use an enhanced dictation feature on iOS 16. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.